9:30 local time. I am in Argentina, northwest of Mar del Plata. The reason why I'm here is a solar eclipse, which will occur in 2 days, on the 11th of September 2007. And right now there is a thunderstorm just north of me. Well, there are actually more thunderstorms. Some are northeast of me, some are northwest of me. But what I'm doing now is chasing a line of storms which developed northwest of me near Tandil. And there is a stronger cell just on the southern side of the storm, and it's moving to the southeast, which means it's moving sort of in my direction, which is good. There is, wow, now there's a nice flash. I'm not sure if you've seen that, but I'm getting quite close to the flashes. There is a strong cell on the southern side of the line of storms. I will try to intercept that. Right now I'm on a dirt road, which is like the main mode of roads which intercepts Argentina. There are like big roads, but in between those big roads there are tens of kilometers of these dirt roads, and I'm just cutting through north from the coastal road number, I think, 3 is the one which goes from Mar del Plata to the west on the coast, and I'm going north towards a road which leads to Tandil. And I'm getting quite close to the flashes which are just in front of me. I'm not downloading much of a radar because it's quite expensive for me from here, so I'm downloading only when I get very disoriented. But right now in the dark I can see all the flashes, so I will follow this dirt road and see where it gets me to. And once I'm on a better paved road, I will decide which way to go. Whoa, nice. Whoa. Right over there now, it should see most of those flashes. I decided to chase the storm which is to the west of me and moves towards me. I'm getting some light rain. I would prefer to be on a paved road when I get to the storm core, since heavy rain causes puddles on such dirt roads, which is not what I want. I'm getting some gusty winds. I can see the dirt being blown. You can actually see it right now if you look. Wow, nice flash. Wow, some very gusty winds. I can see this. I'm not sure how I can show that to you, but just look in front of me and watch this dirt being blown. This is like very strong. This must be up to 60, 70, maybe 80 kilometers an hour. The air must be very dry, close to the ground, since it's creating such strong outflow. This storm is actually much stronger than I anticipated. Wow, the visibility goes down to 0. I think you must be seeing this. You should see the details, how it's blowing around. Wow. Just open the window for a bit. Wow, I gotta stop here, since this is extreme. This must be like 100 kilometers now. This is getting dangerous. Wow, I'm actually in the middle of a gale. Look around. The pity is the lack of light. It's actually started blowing parallel. It's not blowing exactly from the storm. It may be a cold front. I don't even know the weather situation exactly. I just know the instability from GS. Wow, nice. I may get some nice woes. Whoa, nice. Getting quite close to the storm core. The storms are actually moving pretty fast. That's why it's so windy as well. Wow. I would rather chase the activity which is to the left of me, but right now I have absolutely no choice as of chasing. The camera is pointed to the storm on the left since it seems to be more active. But on dirt roads I don't want to get too much lost. I just prefer to go straight, which means just in case there is a dead end I can always go straight back. But wow, first sign of some gale force winds. Actually it's dry, like it's not anything just alive before it. But I'm getting enough to the north. I prefer to be going west now, so hopefully a paved road is not very far. I I've gone through most of the mountains, which are northwest of Plata. Wow, nice, nice. This is my first storm chase in South America, in Argentina. Going away, and it is actually a cell which is southernmost. Whoa, nice. I just hope this southern cell of that line of the storms stays the strongest, and I will have the chance pursuing it, since that could be a super cell if the shear is right. I'm not sure how it works in the Southern Hemisphere. Whoa, nice. But I can see a light in the sky, which originates from some kind of a bigger village or town. And when I get there must be a paved road. The difference between here and between Europe is that the systems, the low pressure systems, rotate clockwise, not anti-clockwise, which means the warm front goes south, and then the cold front comes from the west. Then take this road probably east or northeast, which is not a great direction, but at least it's a paved road. Whoa, nice, nice. I'm not close to any particular storm at the moment, but I've got two storms which are chaseable. The one to the west is more chaseable than the one to the east. Wow, so close to the storm, I'm probably following this one from behind. Very nice flash activity, actually it's quite intense, the one in front of me. There is at least one flash every 5 to 10 seconds. Wow, oh nice! Wow, nice. Giving very nice tracks to the right and to the left. There are two thunderstorms or two storm systems. By the way, I came down from Buenos Aires today, where I landed this afternoon on this 11 AM. Then I headed south on Highway 2. There are two reasons for heading south. The first one was strongest lifted index. The second one was because the eclipse will be larger towards the south, or the obscuration of the sun will be larger towards the south. The problem with the last storm is that it has expanded further south, and I like to be on the southern side of such systems, so they are organized. Wow, nice CG to the right of me. This looks like a good storm situation, since it was all day. It wasn't extremely hot, it was about 25-26 degrees. Absolutely clear skies, good cap. It's like this, wow, nice. There's a strong storm to the right of me. A strong storm behind me. Very hard to decide where to go. I will actually download the radar now, since I can see the first street lights before in front of me. So if I have signal, almost full, that's great. They are very high, they are up to 10 kilometers high storms. There are some strong cells towards the north. It looks like most of the flash activity is to the right of me, so I'm gonna head towards there. Predicted most of the instability in this area. Now paved road, that's great. Or maybe the storms move so fast. Actually not sure what the movement of the storms is. Okay, I'm in that town, which I was approaching a short while ago. I'm not sure which one it is. I just have some ideas. And right now there is quite a lot of flash activity just in front of me, which I think is north of me, and the storms, according to the radar, they are not moving west, but there are more lines of storms which are actually moving very quickly east. In 1 hour they've moved over 50 kilometers. So I'm just going north through the town. I'm not sure where it will lead me to, but I'll just try head as far north as possible and then go west probably, and go like on a paved road which leads towards this flash activity. Wow, nice. Nice. There are too many lights, I'm not sure whether these flashes are actually visible in the camera. I hope I'll get out of this town very fast. There's lots of water around here. It's very wet, looks like there was some heavy downpour in here already. Wow, very nice CG. Nice. Get the camera off the tripod somehow. Okay. Whoa, nice, nice. This is really awesome. The activity is getting extreme. Not all is probably visible in the camera, but you should hear the frequent thunder Wow, nice. One exactly above me. I'm just gonna wait here and observe. That's probably my best, which I can do. Wow. The storm is moving very fast. The flash activity is extreme. There's at least one flash a second. Wow, nice CG. Wow. Some nice crawler CGs. There must be lots of cloud above me. Looks like the storm is heading right for me, or it will pass very close to me. It may even be a supercellular storm, but I don't see any updrafts. It will either be a strong storm or a supercell, because this lightning activity is very strong for a mid-latitude storm. Wow, it's like unbelievable to have such a storm so far from the equator. Even though this is probably still subtropics. It's actually winter here. It's something like March in Northern Hemisphere, so looks like this is gonna be a windstorm again. Wind is picking up. Hope you are seeing like all the flashes. Maybe not all are visible in the camera because not all are so strong. Whether I should move on or whether I should just stay here, because if I move on I would lose some time, but then I can get to a route and maybe catch the storm. But it's still to the northwest of me. Wow, let me just go outside. Wow, still some light rain, not very heavy, but almost constant thunder outside. Some very powerful flashes. Wow. Wow. Large drops sounds almost like hail, but it's not hail, it's just large drops. There are actually two regions of lightning. One is like in front of me where the car is pointing, one is where the camera is pointing, which is to the left. The one where the camera is looking is the one which is more intense. The one in front of me is also resonance and produces some nice bolts. At times the wind is picking up. It's really picking up, looks like sort of a gust front is arriving here. Almost none of the bolts are visible as bolts, they are visible just as flashes. Some to the east even, some to the west where the camera is looking. Wow, this was possibly a bolt. It's definitely a line of storms. It is 20 to 11. And it seems that the storm is sort of north of me, if it's north. Where I'm looking right now. So what I'm gonna do is, and it's quite close, what I'm gonna do is check the radar now to get the final. Wow, whoa, this was quite close. Wow. Wow, this is less than a kilometer from here. It is, there were the trees. I would have seen that nice. I'm getting some large drops. But the core is to the north, so I'm gonna, since it's definitely stronger in this direction in front of me where the camera is looking right now than to the left. And there's some large drops. It's almost, whoa, this is a close one again. Kilometers from here. Wow, nice. Core is in front of me. I'm not gonna use this dirt road, I'm gonna use some better road. Chase the storm. And the line of storm is just passing this town. Big drops falling again. Wow, nice. Before. So I'm going in the original direction, probably south. The visibility is very bad. It takes too long to get through this town. The quality of roads is extremely bad. Wow, nice. south and then turn right. Hopefully that will be a road, or just guessing. So I don't know this town and it's not signed properly. Wow. The storm is still quite intense, I can see. There are some nice CGs in the corner. Wow, wow. And the storm is going southeast. And I think this road is also gonna go in that direction. Wow. Wow. It's a large storm system. Right now I'm not in the most intense part of the storm. This is sort of the anvil. Behind the storm. The cars are in front of me, so that's why I'm trying to get in there out of the corners. We're going 64 kilometers. Wow, wow, nice. Wow. I'm not sure on which road I am, but it's a nice road. And there are at least about 65 kilometers on this road. All these roads are still bumpy. I'll try to get to the front storm. Wow, whoa. It's a reddish lightning. The lightning is sort of a red color. I'm not sure why that is, but it could be either because there is lots of dust that was blown around before the storms kicked in, so the sky is red, therefore the lightning flashes are red, but only the ones which are like sort of low. Like this one was high up, it wasn't red, but the lower part of it was red, so it could be either some phenomenon or more likely, wow. But on the other hand, if it was the dust, the rain would wash it out fairly quickly. So. Wow, nice. Whoa, nice. It's like the most active cars are still in front of me. There is one just to the left of me, which is north. Whoa, nice. Wow. Wow, nice. It's like I'm catching up. Storm front. Wow, nice crawl. Wow. The flash activity is a bit behind me. Not very much, but maybe I should wait a bit for it. The storm on the right is flashing quite a lot as well. Wow, ooh, nice crawler. The storm is producing some very nice crawlers, so I'm gonna stop as soon as I can. Quite a lot of flash activity north of here. Just drizzle here where I am. Wow, nice. Looks like there are flashes back west again. It's probably another round of storms coming from the west. Wow, whoa, nice, whoa. It's about 10 kilometers from here. And there is definitely another round of storms coming from the west. I see flashes over there. Yeah, north of Flores. There's the strongest activity, but it's more than 100 kilometers, probably about 150 kilometers north of here. This is the radar. Look how high the storms are, about 10 kilometers. My location right now is here, somewhere under these storms. There is another round of storms coming. Yeah, there are strong thunderstorms north of here. Some of the flashes are visible all the way here. I'm not sure if it's visible in the camera. The storm which produced the nice CGs and crawlers before is probably dissipated now. It may do one more maybe, but the flashes are coming from the west, definitely. I'm not sure if I should drive back west, but that would mean driving through the town again. Those flashes. Whoa, nice, nice, nice. Within the clouds that are above me, flashes. Whoa, nice. Whoa, very nice crawler just above me. Hope it's not raining too much on the camera. Yes, this last one was very nice crawler exactly above me. So this region where I am now, still quite high potential of seeing some crawlers, possibly even a positive CG. The flashes that were east of here or southeast of here are not visible anymore. Whoa, nice. Those storms, those faraway storms I'm looking at, must be moving against me. I'm gonna wait just a little longer, and if there is, well, actually the rain from this anvil above me is getting stronger now, so I'm just gonna wait a tad longer and then I'm gonna probably go west towards those western storms. Wow, wow! Possibly went down to ground. Half a kilometer above me. Wow. I'm not sure exactly where the strongest of the storms is in that line, but there is, whoa, nice. There's a line coming from the northwest. It may actually join with this old storm. Yeah, the flashes are coming from the whole line. This northwest of me, but it's a line which stretches from the southwest to the northeast probably. Or it's more of, whoa, nice. This is a bright one. It's more of a cluster rather than a line of storms to arrive in here. Oh, nice. So I'm really thinking about heading back west. Whoa, oh, nice. No signal here, so I have to orientate myself according to the lightning. Nice. Too many storms around, so I'm gonna guess like where the best one is. Wow. Time is 1:45 midnight. I'm still at the same place where I was before the last day finished. Some of them are moving exactly to me, some of them are more westwards, some of them are more to the north. And there are also flashes coming occasionally from the east, so quite a complicated scenario right now, but the ones to the west of here are probably the closest ones because thunder could be heard at almost every flash which strikes to the west of here. I may check the map and just chase one of the storms because there are a few discrete locations where lightning occurs. Check the map. Since the storm which is to the north of me is the most active one, so actually it would be much better if I could go north rather than west. 60 kilometers, let me check this out. This flash is still coming from the north. Still coming from the north. So, I'll go towards there since I'm rather far away from the storm right now. Oh, nice. Very hard to make a decision when I have just a limited amount of roads here. Wow. Best boards are northwest of here, so that's where I just put my camera. Yeah, some storms are probably making it all the way to the Atlantic coast. Wow. Whoa! So many storms around. Short while ago I've seen a nice CG to the left of me. Again horizontal and curved down. Very nice. Flash activity. North and northwest of here. I see most of the activities east of here now. I've just been outside where it's much better to see. So I'm gonna go towards Plata. Yeah, that's probably the best way I can do now. There are storms to the north as well. Okay, I'm moving towards the thunderstorm. Still flashes to the left of me, which means I'll probably go towards Vivorata, which is a dirt road, but it's not in the mountain terrain, so I may consider that road unless anything better comes up. Goes into the rain again. There are flashes behind me and in front of me, so I hope the storm in front of me. Wow! Wow! Listen for the thunder. These crawlers must be at about 10 kilometers from my location. Wow, this is close. Wow, this was, the CG from this one was about 2 kilometers, maybe maximum 1. Right now I'm thinking where if I should keep going or if I should stay, because this one anvil or this area of rain above me produces occasional very nice world, but then there is another strong storm, well not strong but stronger to the north. So I'm just thinking which one I should be with, but I think this storm, the period between this one and the previous northerly storm was at least 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go any active storm. There's flashes to the north, so I'm gonna go going north definitely. Wow. There's flashes, both in front of me, and it's some large drops, so we try to pick up that place right where I am. Two flashes. To the left, behind. Wow. Still flashes are left here. Towards the north. Flashes are getting more and more sporadic. Still there is a chance that something will kick off. Wow. Nice flashes. Left of me. It's either northwest, northeast, and east or north, which I'm not sure at the moment. Wow, nice flash. Wow. I know the storm will not like hopefully not the waters before I catch it if it stays. Flash closer. The flash is coming from the north, so I'm gonna turn around. I just reached the highway number 2, so I'm gonna turn around and head north. About 1:45 AM. I'm still trying to follow the storms which are northwest of me, but it looks like the lightning activity is decreasing, so I'm gonna wait here just a little longer, and if I don't see any lightning I will check the radar to see what's going on. Oh, there was a flash now. Okay, sorry for... Wow, whoa, nice, very nice. Sure, if I can go straight here. There is a dirt road which I don't really want. So I'll probably go north. Okay, just turned around and heading north towards the storm activity. Wow. Wow. Still pretty active storms over there. Nice again. Wow. Is still exactly in front of me. There's lots of instability left out after today when it was clear almost all day. Storms now using that instability. There's at least one flash every 10 seconds. Nice. Wow. Nice, nice. Flash again. There was northwest of here. The storm was still be to the northwest, not exactly east of it yet. And I think I'll get them a bit closer, not too much yet. Wow. Wow. The CGs of this storm are very nicely visible.